Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9. Here is Sadian Sim, your botany teacher from Behria Foundation College, Nashero Road. Students, we were learning about the cell. I told you about the definition of cell, cell theory. Then we discussed the different parts of cell. We were discussing the cytoplasmic organelles. The organelles which are present inside the cytoplasm are known as cytoplasmic organelles. We have discussed mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum. Today we are going to discuss the Golgi complex. Golgi complex, this is known as Golgi bodies or Golgi complex, and the name Golgi complex is given on the name of the scientist who discovered them. The scientist was Camillo Golgi. Who was the name of scientist? Camillo Golgi. On the name of his discoverer, they are named as the Golgi complex. So what they look like? They are flat filled sacs. They are flat filled sac-like structure. They are set of smooth membranes that are stacked into flattened filled sac or vesicle containing carbohydrates, glycoproteins and enzymes. Look at this picture. They look like this. Filled sacs stacked upon each other like this. They are stacked upon each other. This. They are flat sac-like structure which are stacked on each other. They are especially prominent in glandular cells. The glandular cells have more in number Golgi complex. It is less in amount in animal cell, almost 1 or 2 are present in each cell, and more amount is present in plant cells. There is more amount is present in plant cells. The animal cells, usually a Golgi apparatus is found in each cell, while in plant cell there may be more Golgi apparatus in each cell. Okay. Now what is the function of the Golgi apparatus? First of all, cell secretions. There are many secretions excreted by the cell which are essential for the cell. They are the responsibility of the Golgi bodies. And formation of cell wall. How cell wall is formed? Cell wall is made up of cellulose, as we know. The formation of cell wall. How cell wall is formed? In fact, there are 3 layers of cell wall. Primary wall, secondary wall and middle lamella. All 3 walls are formed by the secretion of the Golgi complex. This Golgi complex secrete some material which deposit on the wall. Golgi complex क्या करते हैं? कुछ material secrete करते हैं जो सेल वॉल के अंदर इकट्ठा होता रहता है. एज ए रिजल्ट सेल वॉल हार्ड होती रहती है. सो द फंक्शन ऑफ द Golgi complex is formation of the cell wall. Okay. Now our next topic is centrioles. Centrioles are present only in animal cell. They are absent in higher plants. Most important feature. They are round structures. They are present in animal cells. They are present near the nucleus and absent in the higher plants. In animal cell, what is the location of the centriole? In animal cell, they are present near the nucleus. A round structure, centriole, is present in the cytoplasm near the nucleus in the animal cell. Look at this. This is animal cell. This is the nucleus. Here, near the nucleus, there are 2 centrioles are present, which are round structure. Centrosome contains 2 centrioles. Higher plants lack centrioles. And the function, they form fibrous protein spindle which help in movement of chromosome towards the pole during the animal cell division. Cell division is the process of division of cell into 2 daughter cells. We will discuss the topic cell division in our next chapter, but you have to understand here that centrioles play vital role in cell division. During cell division, centrioles help a lot. Understand? So it was our lecture today. What is your homework? You have to learn about both the cytoplasmic organelles, Golgi complex and the centrioles, and make your own notes. Send me in my WhatsApp group. I am waiting for your homework. Allah Hafiz.